Malaysia broke its COVID-19 daily case record on the day it proclaimed a state of emergency, with 3,309 new infections reported. Prior to this, the most number of cases in a day was 3,027, which was recorded on January 7th. In a statement, Health Director General Tan Sri Dr. Noor Hisham Abdullah said the country now has 141,533 confirmed cases since the start of the pandemic. 4 people also died due to the coronavirus, raising Malaysia's COVID-19 death toll to 559. Dr. Noor Hisham said 3 of the fatalities were in Selangor, while 1 was in Perak. The victims were all Malaysians aged between 52 to 69. On the same day, Malaysia also discharged 1,469 COVID-19 patients. The number of people with active COVID-19 infections in the country has gone up to 30,390. Currently, 190 patients are in intensive care, with 83 requiring ventilator support. There were 6 imported infections, while the rest are local transmissions. Selangor recorded the highest increase of the day out of all states with 1,007 new cases, followed by Johor with 442 cases, Sabah with 409, and Kuala Lumpur with 326 cases. Dr. Noor Hisham also announced 11 new infection clusters, taking the total number of active clusters nationwide to 261. 7 of the new clusters are found in the Klang Valley, with 5 of them being linked to workplaces. 2 of the new clusters with a high number of confirmed infections are in Selangor, including the Jalan Manan cluster in Klang, which is linked to a factory in Jalan Haji Abdul Manan. The factory had undergone a targeted screening on workers on January 12, of which 311 people have been tested, with 83 confirmed cases so far. The PERSIARAN KUALA cluster, which involves factory workers in Kuala Selangor, has 44 positive cases so far. A new cluster has also been detected in the KIARA locality in Kuala Lumpur. Dr. Noor Hisham said the JALAN KIARA cluster involves employees of a supermarket who underwent a targeted screening exercise. So far, 85 individuals under the cluster have been tested and 22 were found to be COVID-19 positive. The Bukit Segubong cluster in Bintulu, Sarawak is linked to a longhouse named Rumah Jilan in Sebau. So far, 21 positive cases under the cluster have been found.